Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all are doing well. So I'm finally back filming and it feels definitely great. I am definitely going through a lot and I'm trying to manage and work hard. I hope you guys are there with me and it feels amazing talking to you guys after so long. Anyway, today I've came here in a new avatar, curly hair, and also I'm wearing lenses after I think Bangalore event. So it has been really long. Yeah, very long. Anyway, so today in this video, as you already know, I am going to share my Amazon beauty haul. I have bought a lot of products. There are few restock products and there are few new products which I really wanted to try from a long time and they were on my wish list. So finally this time I got it. So let's just begin with the haul and I'm also going to talk about them because the most of them are restock. I know how it performs and if I like it, obviously I like it, that's why I restocked it. Also a quick update, Amazon Great Indian Sale will start from 3rd of October and there will be amazing discounts and offers, so start adding your favorite products into your cart. Anyway, let's just stop blabbering and let's get into the haul. Okay, I'm gonna start with the product which I was really looking for and I couldn't control myself and I used it today and you can definitely notice from my hair, and that is from the Curl Up brand. This is their curl defining cream and this is their ultra defining hair gel. So I was so excited that I end up using it today before doing this video, and look at my curls, they look so pretty, so defined. I have heard great reviews about this brand and I really wanted to try. Let me just talk about this product. So this is the Curl Up Defining Cream. It is step 3. It is for frizzy, wavy and curly hair. If you have frizzy, wavy, curly hair, this is perfect for you. Now it has argan oil flaxseed extract which helps to reduce frizz and it defines and adds shines to your curl. It doesn't have any sulfate, paraben and silicone, and honestly today I've used it. I quite like the texture of it. It's quite thick and creamy. It definitely moisturizes the skin, moisturizes the hair really well, and you can see it looks very gorgeous. The shine looks definitely amazing. Now today I've used a little bit of shampoo. I'm gonna talk about the shampoo which I'm using. The shampoo and the mask you guys already know which I use. So after that I washed my hair and on that dripping wet hair I used this cream and then I went with this hair gel. Now honestly I have to use it quite few times before recommending it, but for the first use I quite liked it. I mean the curls look so defined and so soft. My hair doesn't feel very harsh because of the gel, and it feels very soft as well, which I really like, and I love the shine. If you want you can definitely go for the cream, not the hair gel, but honestly I went for this too because there was a combo offer. Now this one retails for rupees 690 rupees and you get 150 gram product, and this one retails for rupees 790 rupees and you get 200 ml product. So I got this as a combo and the price will be down right here or here, anywhere. Coming up to the hair gel, now this is also for frizzy, wavy and curly hair. It has flaxseed extract, shea butter which helps to reduce frizz, strengthen the hair and define your curl. It is also sulfate, paraben and silicone free product. So I'm definitely looking forward to try this more and more, and then I'm gonna do a separate video of this maybe, or a hair care or a curly girl method. Okay, I'm definitely gonna do that. Honestly, I promise. Anyway, let's just move on to the next product which is very new, and that is the Face Shop foaming cleanser. Okay, so from Face Shop, this range I have tried their cleansing cream which definitely works very good, but I found it does not help to remove makeup that well. If you are wearing normal skincare, I mean you have to remove your sunscreen, you can use it that time, but with waterproof makeup I don't think that works really well. So my mom definitely loves using it because she generally wears a little bit of makeup like brow product or lipstick sometimes, and every day she wears sunscreen, and it's very important to remove your sunscreen at night. So that is why she uses that. So I finally got this foaming cleanser. I have again heard great reviews about this. This one retails for rupees 690 and you get 150 ml product. So it's a foaming cleanser which is going to clean your face very nicely. I'm definitely looking forward to try this out because it has rice water which helps to brighten up your skin. And yeah, that is it. I think I'm gonna use it. If you have ever tried this product, just let me know in the comment section below if you like it or not. And because normally right now I use the Body Shop Vitamin E face wash which works amazingly for my skin. It doesn't breaks me out or anything, and hopefully this won't break me out as well. Alright, now it's time for the restock products. Let's start with the mom's favorite product, which is the La Shield sunscreen. You have seen me restocking this. This is, I think, the second time I'm restocking it, and it's an amazing sunscreen. And even if you have oily skin, you can definitely go for it. It has that silicone base kind of a texture. Let me just quickly show you. So this is how the package is going to look like. So here is the sunscreen, as you can see. I've taken a lot, by the way. Anyway, it just blends really nicely. It gives you that really nice powdery finish, and it just gives you that powdery matte finish, I would say, which looks absolutely amazing on the skin. And there is no white cast. Let me just quickly blend this and show it to you. You can see there is no white cast, which is so amazing. The price of this is rupees, let me check, I think, yeah, 790 rupees for this, and it definitely lasts really long. Also, this is SPF 40 and has PA triple plus, UVA and UVB. It is oil free and it is also dermatologically tested. So I would definitely recommend this if you have sensitive skin, or if you have, you know, maskne, you can definitely try this out. Coming to the next product, I have restocked this Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. Who doesn't love this? Oh my god, it's such an amazing product. So here it is, absolutely stunning. Now this one retails for rupees 1000, and there was, I don't think there was any offer, but if it was, I'm gonna mention it right here. So I really like the packaging. I have been using this since it has launched in India. I really like the texture. Iska आवाज हुआ, I swear iska आवाज हुआ. Anyway, this is how the product is going to look like. Smells amazing. So let me just quickly show you the texture. I'm gonna show it here because यहाँ पे sunscreen है. You can see it's like a gel. It absorbs very quickly. Now if you have oily skin, sensitive skin, combination skin, you can definitely go for this. Alright, coming to the next product, next restock product, which I absolutely love for my hair, and that is the L'Oreal hair shampoo. Now this is the City Expert Absolute Repair shampoo. As you know, I have recently restocked my hair mask. So after buying that, I noticed कि मेरा shampoo भी खत्म होने वाला है. So I again restocked my shampoo. I really like this. It helps to remove all the dirt and oil from your hair, and it doesn't make my hair frizzy or, you know, dry. So I really like the shampoo again. So इसीलिए मैंने इसको restock किया है. मास्क तो ऑलरेडी रिस्टॉक्ड में ही है, एंड आई रियली लाइक द शैम्पू. इट रिटेल्स फॉर रुपीज 665 एंड यू गेट 300 ml प्रोडक्ट. एंड आई थिंक मेरा वाला ना कितना दिन चल रहा है, ऑनेस्टली मैं बोल रही हूँ. आई हैव बीन यूजिंग इट सिंस अप्रैल से अभी तक चल रहा है. सो इट रियली लास्ट लॉन्ग, एंड इट ऑल्सो डिपेंड्स ऑन हाउ मच यू like how many times you wash your hair. So like me, I wash my hair twice a week, so बहुत दिन चलता है. So you can definitely grab this one. It's amazing. I would highly recommend this. Alright, coming to the last two product which are from Maybelline. Let's start with the Fit Me foundation. Now मेरा जो foundation है वो अभी भी है, लेकिन वो expire हो चुका है. So I have to change it up. I mean I have to throw that. So इसीलिए मैंने सोचा कि restock करती हूँ, लेकिन थोड़ा सा different shade try करती हूँ. As I've tried 230 and also 310, both works for me. So I thought of going for 235. This is yeah, it is for normal to oily skin. It has SPF 22, and yeah, let me just quickly open this. Okay, it comes with a pump. Oh my god, I'm super excited right now. Okay, let me check the shade. अभी तो use भी नहीं कर पाऊंगी. Hopefully this will match. It's not bad, but this has mostly pink tone, I would say. सो एज यू कैन सी ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा पिंक टोन ज़रूर लग रहा है मेरे को, एंड आई एम नॉट समवन जो पिंक टोन यूज़ करता है. ओ गॉड, आई शुड हैव रिसर्च्ड, बट आई थॉट दिस विल वर्क फॉर मी. बट या, डेफिनेटली आई एम गोना try it out on my skin, and if this works for me then well and good, otherwise I'm gonna give it to somebody else, or I'm gonna do a giveaway and include this on that. So yeah, that is that. Next I have bought this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Concealer. गलती हो जाता है नाम. So the shade I went for is medium. I have tried the shade Honey. I've tried the shade Neutralizer and also Light. Neutralizer and Light is not for me. Both of them are very very light. Honey is definitely very good, but I wanted something to highlight my under eye. So that is why I went for the shade medium, and I hope this will match me. So let me just quickly try it out. So here is the shade. As you can see, it is definitely yellow tone. You can see the difference. It is definitely yellow tone, so I hope this will brighten up my under eye. I'm super excited to try this out as well. That is all I have bought from Amazon, and yeah, some of them are restock, I absolutely love, and some of them are new. And also, if you have ever tried anything from my recommendation, do let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and help me reach 60k subscribers. And also, guys, from tomorrow I am gonna upload Durga Puja series tutorials, so stay tuned for that. And I'm super excited because all the looks amazing, honestly, and I have used minimum products to create those looks. And I know कि पूजा के टाइम बहुत हरी में रहते हैं सब कोई, टाइम नहीं मिलता उतना मेकअप लगाने का. सो आई हैव केप्ट इट वेरी मिनिमल एंड वेरी easy to create. So do join in from tomorrow. I'm gonna upload all the videos, and yeah, it will be back to back. Okay, so stay tuned, and I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Till then, subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. And yeah, bye bye.